Hey, it's Joanna from Lowbrow Fancy, and today we're making some dangerously good Eggnog Snickerdoodle Sandwich Cookies. The full recipe's on my blog if you want to bake along. Let's get started. First, let's mix up the eggnog spice blend that will be used in every component of the recipe. Whisk together some nutmeg, cinnamon, cloves, and allspice and set that aside. Now we'll make a paste out of some softened butter and brown sugar and some of that spice blend. This is going to give these cookies a gorgeous marbled look. Now whisk some more of the spice blend into some sugar. This is what we'll roll the cookies in before baking. Set it aside for now. In a medium mixing bowl, whisk together some all-purpose flour, cream of tartar, baking soda, and salt. The baking soda and cream of tartar react to make the cookies puff up in the oven, and the cream of tartar adds the subtle tang and soft and chewy texture that snickerdoodles are known for. Into the stand mixer goes some room temp butter, a bit of coconut oil, and sugar. Beat that for a few minutes until it's light and fluffy. Scrape down the bowl so nobody gets left behind. Add a whole egg and a yolk and make sure to immediately drop the bowl into the mixer for good luck. Add a splash of vanilla and mix until completely combined. Add the dry ingredients and mix on low just until combined. Careful not to overwork it or the cookies could turn out tough. Dollop on about half of the eggnog swirl paste and gently fold it through. Add the rest and gently fold it in again. Go easy on it, you want it to stay nice and streaky. Use a small cookie scoop or a tablespoon to make small portions of the dough. Roll it into a ball and coat it in the spiced sugar. Arrange the dough balls on a lined baking sheet with a few inches of space between them. These cookies really like to spread. Bake at 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 175 degrees Celsius until they puff, crack on top, and are just starting to turn golden. Leave them to cool on the baking sheet. These cookies are delicious as is, and without the filling, they'll keep at room temperature for at least a week and will hold up really well to shipping too. But a little buttercream sandwiched between the cookies will really make them extra special. I love ermine frosting. It's a cooked flour and milk, or in this case eggnog, buttercream that whips up super fluffy and silky, and the best part is that it's not too sweet. Start by whisking together some sugar, flour, and a pinch of salt. Then slowly stream in the eggnog while whisking. Pour it into a saucepan and bring it to the stove. We're basically going to be making an eggnog custard as the base for the buttercream. Cook over medium-low heat while stirring constantly until it thickens. Transfer to a shallow heat-proof bowl to help it cool down faster and press some plastic wrap right on top so it doesn't form a skin. Let it cool completely to room temperature. Once it's cool, peel off the plastic and squeeze every last bit of the custard off and back into the bowl. Beat the room temp butter until it's nice and fluffy, then add the cooled custard a spoonful at a time. Once it's all added, keep beating the buttercream until it's light and silky smooth, another 2 minutes or so. Finish it off with a splash of vanilla, and you can add a little rum extract too if you like. Fit a piping bag with a large tip in whatever shape you like, and tuck it into a deli cup to hold it open for you while you fill it with the buttercream. I've already paired up the cookies by size and lined them up on the baking sheet. Pipe a swirl of buttercream onto one cookie. Top it off with its partner, and you've got the softest, most festive sandwich cookie ever. These cookies are soft, spiced, and perfectly eggnoggy without being too rich or sweet. Without the buttercream, they hold up really well to packing in gift boxes and can even be shipped. As cookie sandwiches with buttercream, you can leave them out at room temperature for a couple of hours, but beyond that, you'll want to store them in the fridge. This recipe is part of my 12 Days of Christmas Cookies series. Check out this playlist for the rest of the recipes. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.